This is a gorgeous truck. Perfect for towing your snowmobiles. It has low miles, and is absolutely immaculate. Don't miss out on this truck that was made for handling every job you throw at it. Pick up the phone and call now. Talk about a gorgeous vehicle in excellent condition. This thing really has had impeccable care. It is a local trade-in and was owned by an older gentleman who kept it garaged its entire life. Don't wait. Call now for best internet price.